open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, yeah. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
Sorry, my camera fell. But today I'm doing a shoe tutorial on these shoes. I will be painting a California themed sunset. And I'm going to be adding a couple of my favorite songs on there because why not? It's art. And this will also be my first video on my new phone. I got the iPhone XR. I'm sorry, y'all, the tripod just keeps playing with me. But the camera quality is amazing. Oh my gosh, my skin looks great. But let's get to the video. Alright, you guys, for this project we're going to need a palette, paintbrushes, towel or napkin to clean those paintbrushes, shoes, tape, and a reference photo. And I forgot to add some water to clean the brushes. Another item that's not necessarily necessary, but it can help, is some fabric medium. This is just going to loosen up the paint a little bit, so when you put it on a canvas, like a shoe or a fabric, it'll make it a little less thick. So it's not necessary, but you know, it's cool. Next step, we are going to tape off the soles of the shoe. This is to prevent any paint from getting on the parts of the shoe that can't really get paint, unless you want to, of course. I mean, it's up to you. This is your project. But I use painter's tape because it helps with the bleeding and it keeps paint from leaking on the parts that I don't want paint. So now we're going to start on the toe of the shoe. Just going to start with a little yellow. Also, at this stage, don't forget to have your reference photo close by so that you can have something to look at for referential reasons, I guess, so that it can look similar. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's nice to see something that can help with the outcome of the final project. So I had a hard time trying to record in paint, so I didn't record the finishing of the toe, unfortunately. But it's pretty much just a blending of the rest of the colors. Now I am adding the details to the tongue of the shoe. And so I'm adding the clouds and giving it a little more color, tones and shades, so I can really make it look like how I want it to look. Now I am starting on the sides of the shoes. I didn't really get much footage of this because, again, it's hard to record and paint at the same time, which I will definitely work on in upcoming videos. But that's what's happening now. I'm doing the sides. And also, don't get too caught up on the reference photo. The reference photo is just there to see the gradation of the colors, and that's about it. I mean, you can add whatever you would like and blend it however you like, so don't focus too much on making sure it's exactly the same. Now I am starting the trees, which was supposed to be the words. I just decided to go with trees because I felt like it would look better. So that's what I'm working on now. The fine brush. So once you are satisfied with the shoe, you can remove the painter's tape, and voila, you have you a beautiful sunset shoe with palm trees. Now I hope this tutorial helps you, and I hope that you try this one day. It's not as hard as it looks, I promise. And please help send me some pictures if you do end up doing this tutorial. I pray that this was helpful. Thanks again for watching, and tune in for more to come. Bye.